How to add credits in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and create or open your project where you want to add the credits. Next, go to the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. On the left hand side, you will see the Effects library. Click on it and under Titles, you will find different options for text. Select the scroll for credits. Once you have selected, drag it onto the timeline at the point where you want the credits to appear. Adjust the length of the text box to match the duration you want the credits to run. After that, click on the text box in the timeline and in the inspector window, you can customize the text. Write your credits and you can also adjust the font, size and position to make it fit the look you want. Once you are happy with the way the credits look, go ahead and play the clip to ensure everything runs smoothly. If you want to make any further adjustment, you can always return to the inspector and tweak the settings. And that's it. Now you know how to add credits in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.